first thing on the committee's agenda today is House Bill 1984 by Representative Kerry Benninghoff. And I know Representative Benninghoff is in the room, so if you'd like to come forward and address the issue, we would love to have you do that, Kerry.
Thank you to both the chairman and to the committee for having us here. House Bill 1984 is relatively simplistic in what it's going to do, but it's got a significant impact. Essentially, we're trying to eliminate an archaic loophole that allows women, in my opinion, to be re-victimized and actually puts some of their children at jeopardy or possibly in harm's way. There's currently a provision in our adoption law that says if you are to relinquish the rights of a father who happened to be a rapist in the event of producing a child, that mother cannot relinquish that person's parental rights until they have another father in line. I just think it's archaic. I think it's wrong. And frankly, it re-victimizes those individuals who went through a horrible episode. And I think it's the time the legislature changes that and repeals it. I would ask for your support.
Thank you, Representative Benninghoff. I know this has been a work in progress, something that you've worked diligently on, as has our legal counsel, Karen Dalton. And Counsel Dalton, I will turn to you to summarize the particulars of the bill.
House Bill 1984 amends the Adoption Act so that when a petition is filed to involuntarily terminate parental rights, when a child is conceived as a result of rape or incest, under 23 PACS Section 2511A7, the mother need not have a stepfather waiting to adopt the child. Currently, under the Adoption Act, if a mother seeks to involuntarily terminate the parental rights of a rapist father, the mother may do so, but must either be married to another man or be remarried. In other words, the Adoption Act works a hardship on single mothers who bear a child as a result of rape or incest. Without a stepfather waiting to adopt the child, the court will not hear the petition. The bill is supported by PCAR, Pennsylvania Legal Services, Support Center for Child Advocates, Community Legal Services of Philadelphia, Philadelphia Legal Assistance, and the Crime Victims Alliance of Pennsylvania. And Mr. Chairman, there are no amendments.
Thank you, Counsel Dalton. And I have a motion by Representative Toohill to report out House Bill 1984 as committed, seconded by Representative Delosier. Questions, comments on the legislation? Representative Miller.
I just wanted to commend the bill. Look, this is one of those things that falls into an embarrassment for the state that your efforts here continue to not get through. So I very much support you on it. It will continue. I'm pretty sure, I think I'm on the bill with it, but it's one of those ridiculous scenarios, and that's a nice way of saying it, that should be something that moves quickly through, and we change this here for it. It cannot be that not only are the victims deserves here, but that someone who commits such a crime is therefore given these rights that attach to it. It's unfair, it's unjust, and I really hope that it soon becomes illegal. So we need to make sure that those things are changed. I just want to commend you on it. I know it's something you've talked about before, and I really hope that you get a little stronger push of support that comes your way for it.
Thank you, Representative Miller.
Thank you, Representative Miller. Any other questions or comments? Hearing none, are there any negative votes? The bill is reported unanimously to the House floor. Thank you, Representative Benninghoff, again, for your diligent work on this issue.
Thank you to the chairman and your wonderful staff and to the committee for their unanimous vote.
Thank you.